Weapons of choice. Let's see what you got. You got, what is it, a racer?
A racer Nerf gun.
Okay, that one's cool.
It's very small.
Guys got like the sniper.
And it works just like a sniper.
8-round shots. Cool. I got the X shot. You got nothing but X shots.
Wow.
And then you got...
I got the BBT 1902.
Dang. Okay, guys. Put it in. Team G on 3. Okay, these are the rules. If you get hit 3 times, you're out. So go ahead and sit over here when you're done. No face hits, okay?
No face shots.
No face shots.
No headshots.
Okay, and that's all the rules. Take cover where you can. Protect yourself at all times. Team G on 3. When we say Team G, the war starts.
Okay.
You guys ready for this?
G.
Team G on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team G, go! This guy's already tripping. Whoa! How do you reload this? Ah! Oh my! Ah! Make sure to pick up your bullets. That's one for you. You're done. I'm hit! Oh my God, this door opens! I'm hit! I'm hit twice. No, oh my leg! Oh, I'm done, that's 3.
Where's my bullet at?
You gotta pick him up. Oh, I'm already dead! You win. Little G versus Val. You guys ready? Team G on 3. 1, 2, 3. Fight to the death. Fight to the death. Whoever gets hit next loses.
Reloading.
She's behind you!
You didn't get me. You didn't get me. Fight.
She's got no more bullets.
Surrender.
Surrender, Val. You surrender, it's over. Do you surrender? All right, G, you're the winner. You win. Now that you won, how do you feel?
Good.
Give me a high five.
Amazing today.
Val, how do you feel?
I'm not playing this again.
I'm sorry.
All right.
You guys ready? Guns in. Where, adentro. Wait. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa adentro, pa adentro. Ready? Go. Haha, you missed. And she's got like infinite bullets over there. Ouch! That hurt! Ow, what? No! Have mercy! Have mercy! Oh! I'm already dead! Sorry. I'm pretty sure guy's the winner. Oh my God, I still have bullets. This gun is awesome. All right, guy, come over here. Winner! Dance! Hey, how does it feel to win?
Great.
Yeah? You got any advice for the fans?
I'm not doing this ever again.
Why not? Nerf cores are awesome, aren't they?
Yeah, but I don't want to be all sweaty.
I did have another bullet. That's a good shot. Oh, sorry. I thought it was over. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Team G!